Our question is 8 to the power x plus 2 to the power x is equal to 130 and we have to solve for x. It can be written as 2 to the power 3x plus 2 to the power x is equal to 130. Further, it can be written as 2 to the power x whole cube is equal to plus 2 to the power x is equal to 130. Let us consider 2 to the power x is equal to y. By putting the value 2 to the power x is equal to y, we will get y cube plus y is equal to 130, and further we can write y cube plus y minus 130 is equal to 0. Now we have to find its root. By trial and error method, we can find its root by putting value of y is equal to 5. We will get zeros. As you can see that 5 cube plus 5 minus 130, if you will calculate it, then it will be 125 plus 5 minus 130, and that will be equal to 0. Hence we can say that y is equal to 5 is one of its root and y minus 5 is one of its factor. Therefore, we will divide this given equation with y minus 5 to find its another factor. Now let us proceed to find its another factor. Y minus 5 will divide y cube minus y cube plus y minus 130. Take it as y square times, then it will be y cube minus 5y square. If we will solve it further, then y cube will cancel out with y cube and it will be equal to plus 5y square plus y minus 130. Now take it as 5y times, that will equal to 5y square minus 25y, and if you will solve it further, then 5 square y will be cancelled out with 5 square y and it will be equal to 26y minus 130. Now we have to take it as a 26 times. Take it 26 times, then it will equal to 26y minus 130, and after solving it we will get 0. It will cancel out with this one and this will cancel out this one, then we will get 0. Then we can say that y cube minus y plus y minus 130 is equal to 0 can be factorized as y minus 5 and y square plus 5y plus 26 is equal to 0. To check whether this quadratic equation will have roots or not, let us compare it with the standard quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then the value of a is equal to 1, value of b is equal to 5 and value of c is equal to 26. Let us find the value of discriminant. The formula of discriminant is d is equal to b square minus 4ac. After putting the value of b, a and c, we will have 5 square minus 4 into 1 into 26, and that is equal to 25 minus 104, and this is equal to minus 79. It means the value of d is less than 0. It tells that it has no real roots. No real roots. It means this quadratic equation's value will be always greater than 0. Since it has no real roots, the value of y square plus 5y plus 26 will be always greater than 0. It means y minus 5 will be only 0, equal to 0, and further it can be written as y is equal to 5. We have assumed y as a 2 to the power x, 2 to the power x as y, therefore we can write the value y is equal to 2 to the power x is equal to 5, and taking log both sides we can write log 2 to the power x is equal to log 5. Further, there is a formula for log. Log a to the power b can be written as b log a. With the help of this formula, we can write x log 2 is equal to log 5 and x is equal to log 5 by log 2. Further, there is another log formula, log a base b divided by log a base c, that can be written as log c base b. With the help of this formula, we can write log 2 base 5, and this is the value of x, and this is the answer. Let us check whether this answer is correct or not by putting this value of x in the equation. We have the equation 8 to the power x plus 2 to the power x is equal to 130. Let us find the value of 8 to the power x plus 2 to the power x. After putting the value 8, value of x, that is equal to log 2 base 5 plus 2 log 2 base 5. There is another rotation formula of log, that is equal to e to the power x log e base a, and this is equal to a to the power x. We just replace e with a and a with e, then it will be equal to a to the power x log e base e, and log e base e is equal to 1. We know this thing. Therefore, we will just, this equation can be written as 2 to the power 3 log 2 base 5 plus 2 log 2 base 5. We will just replace 2 with 5, just replace 2 with 5 and 5 with 2, and here we can also replace 2 with 5 and 5 with 2, then it will be equal to 5 to the power 3 log 2 base 2 plus 5 log 2 base 2, and log 2 base 2 is equal to 1 and log 2 base 2 is equal to 1. Both will be equal to 1, this will also equal to 1. It means 5 to the power 3 plus 5, and this will be equal to 125 plus 5, that is equal to 130, and this is equal to RHS. Hence, the answer of this equation x is equal to log 2 base 5 is satisfying the equation. That's all. Thanks for watching.